really enjoyable and informative cooking class. The group size was perfect as it is never as enjoyable when there are too many people. I'm so glad we could make some really unique dishes and have the recipes to take home after. The kitchen seemed extremely clean and everyone working there were exceptionally friendly. I'll certainly recommend to more people in the future, thank you. Flavors of Sri Lanka, traditional Sri Lankan cooking and dining experience in Ella. Sri Lanka is known for its intriguing cuisines and vibrant dishes. A trip to the peaceful town of Ella wouldn't be complete without at least try their delicious food. On this special activity, you won't only get to try authentic Sri Lankan food but you'll also learn how to cook their dishes. Learn valuable tricks and tips on preparing Sri Lankan cuisines from your local expert and try your hands at cooking the famous Sri Lankan rice and curry. And after your cooking session, prepare for a taste test as you will be indulging in the dishes that you helped prepare for dinner together with the group. Make your trip to Ella memorable by joining a fun cooking and dining experience that will let you discover the rich flavors of Sri Lanka's traditional dishes.